Automotive SPICE can be very effective when implemented correctly. It is a widely recognized framework for assessing and improving the development processes of automotive software and systems. However, its effectiveness depends on several factors. 1. Strong organizational commitment. 2. Skilled implementation. 3. Clear objectives, what to be achieved and what not.
As we all knew, automotive SPICE is not a standard, it's a framework. That means it all depends on how to interpret the base practices and applied during process evaluation. And developers or system engineers, unnecessary to understand how a SPICE performs. They all must understand and work according to process defined in organizational.
The biggest mistake people do in most of the organizations is using a SPICE as a standard process. That means a SPICE process is defined in V model structure. It does not mean that you have follow waterfall methodology. Use bunch of feature-wise requirements to deliver at each sprint rather dumping all features at one shot.
Then what is the solution? How to use the automotive SPICE effectively to add value to organization and your customers. Solution is develop organization-wide standard process which is referenced to automotive SPICE, ISO 26262, ISO 21434 and IATF 16949. And project teams shall follow the defined process with tailoring concept which is fit to project need. Success depends on how it is applied. When used as a tool to guide process improvement rather than as a rigid mandate, it can significantly enhance the quality and reliability of automotive systems.
Let's look at here the one simple example. As standard practice says how to prepare the coffee, assume in Asian countries. Adding 100 milliliters milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar and add coffee decoction for taste. But the problem is, you cannot serve the same recipe coffee to all kind of people. Let's assume person is diabetic. They expect sugar-free or sugarless.
Let's understand how this can be applied in your real-world projects. Assume there are components safety relevant and non-safety relevant. That means QM in the same project. The implementation and assessment category may be different approach for these components. Generally, automotive safety integrity level B requires many test methods including static code analysis, code review, requirements-based testing, including tool qualification before using etc. However, if you notice for non-safety relevant QM components or projects tool qualification and static code analysis is not preferable or recommended. Refer ISO 26262 Part 6 to more on this approach. This tailoring approach helps organizations to speed up the development, remove the blockers and bring the product time to market.